Well, I'm trying to get some light to make this video, but we have been stuck in a snowstorm in the middle of Iceland. And what?
You don't do it. I know I do it once, but now I feel surreal.
No.
Was that the last video they find?
No. Some being so dramatic, but it's been more than an hour and we just here. And like I don't know, the storm actually the wind's picking up. And I am no weatherman, although I did study geography. Just have to add that there. But like the snow the snow is like getting even like higher. So that means it's snowing even more. So yes, this is video number 1 from somewhere in Iceland. And yes, I hope it's warm and sunny wherever you are.